Good morning, day 5. Hello, baby. You're just so cute. Hi, everybody. Hope you're all well today. We are going to go out on another class expedition. We're going to go and see some friends that we know for a wonderful one called Tempo Tots at the Grafton, which is a pub not far away, and it's really, really cute. So I hope I can film a bit of that. And then we'll probably go out for a nice lunch with them, and we're just going to have a nice social day with some friends. Yeah, nice baby friends for you, my love. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. It's been cancelled. No one told us. That's really unfair actually, because we booked a ticket like literally this morning, so no one told us that it's not happening. So we've come all the way and it's been cancelled. So we're going to wait for our friends here, and then, I don't know, probably just go and have a coffee. In a way, it's good that she's really, really needs a nap, and she's been fighting it, and I think she's just about to go to sleep. So that's a good thing. So we'll stick with that. And I'll keep you posted where we go next. So we're in the soft play area instead, because this is really fun. And look at me. There you are, gorgeous. Oh, she's just kind of sat there looking a bit overwhelmed so far, but I think we'll get some playtime. And this is lovely Orla and Aiden joining us. Hello. Hi. Oh, B, you're giving that to me? Thank you, darling. Thank you. Would you like it? Whee! Oh, that is so fun. So it's just us, it's just Hobbs and Bee and I now, and we're on the heath, we're having a lovely walk. I'm eating my very nutritious lunch. Oh my god, I don't think I'm going to get a proper lunch in today, because sometimes Bee naps around lunchtime and that means that I get a proper lunch, but otherwise I just grab whatever I can eat, and I'm so hungry. So I'm going to eat and stop talking, and Bee's going to go ah, and Hobbs is running chasing squirrels as always. And we're having a lovely day. It's actually really beautiful weather. I'm just going to show you because it's beautiful. Hopsy! Hello! Hi, Hopsy Boo! Oh, hello, darling. Hello, Hopsy. What's Hopsy doing? Beezy Bum, what's Hopsy doing? Oh, it's such a lovely day. Okay, late lunch, watching Kirsty's Homemade Christmas. I'm having some chocolate. I just had a very late lunch of avocado on bagels, and what is going on here? She hasn't gone to sleep yet. She's been there for about 10 minutes. She's moving further and further up the crib. So am I going to have to go in there and move her down? Oh, Beezy Bub.
Hello.
Hello.
So, it should be my advent day. but but Gabby left my advent
Oh, I had such a hard day.
in the bedroom, and Bee's currently asleep. But weirdly, it's some sort of Christmas miracle, but indoor 4 is actually already a clue.
So you get 5 and 6, yeah?
That's the deal.
I have a rhyming couplet for where your gift is found. It's coloured like a sailor who's wound up round and round. Oh, okay. There's fungus all around it. It's smelly and it's dank. But what could be safer? A safer place than a bogey bank? In a bogey bank.
So I'm not sure there's enough battery in this camera for you to find this.
I just literally, I mean, I don't have any idea what it could be or where it could be, so I am, yeah.
Okay.
So I have a rhyming couplet for where your gift is found. It's coloured like a sailor who's wound up round and round. So it's this kind of clues to where that is. So I need to.
Sorry, that's not where.
No, that's not.
No,
where.
that's just what you're looking for.
It's coloured like a sailor who's. I mean, that's not even a colour.
Well, think about it. It is a clue.
It's like a sailor who's wound up round and round. Do you mean a soldier? Do you mean like red and white and stuff?
No.
Okay. Oh, a sailor blue and white. Okay, right, okay, he's wound up round and round. Okay, well, hopefully it makes sense. There's fungus all around it. I mean, do you want me to go outside and find fungus?
No, it's in our flat, and I know we have a mold problem, but that's not your clue.
It's smelly and it's dank. For what could be a safer place than in a bogey bank? I don't know what a bogey bank is. Okay, I have a feeling it's out in the corridor because that's where you were for quite a while.
I know this has been hidden for days, but yeah, you're right about the corridor.
Oh, really? Okay, all right. So you've got a book about the bogey, like something in the bogey or something. Is that no?
Well, I'm not going to give you any clues.
Oh, no, you've got to, baby. Otherwise we'll be here all night. I want to go to bed.
Well, that's it. An appreciative response to being given a present.
No, but you know what I mean.
Darling, is this going to take all evening? I want to go to
Because
sleep.
I'm so slow. Oh, look. Is it inside it?
What's that, darling?
It's a bogey bank.
Oh my goodness me.
I've never seen it before in my life.
I know, Fungus the Bogeyman.
Ooh.
Hopsky.
Come on. So Stephen said, I don't know what to get you this happened, and I was like, can you get me some blue Cruisum and Friends? I really need some. And you nailed it, baby. Thank you.
Yeah, what
so
colour
much.
blue is it?
Navy.
Navy. Like a
In the
sailor.
navy.
It's coloured like a navy sailor. It's wound up round and round.
Like a bread. Oh,
There's
that's
fungus
very
all
clever.
around us.
Okay, so fungus
There's
is
fungus.
the other.
Fungus is the bogeyman, that's his
Is he
name.
the bogeyman? Okay, right.
It's smelly and it's dank. It's in a bogey bank. This is my bogey bank.
Do you put bogies in it? Because always I'll...
Yeah, no, this is where I keep them all.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I love my blue Guterman friend.
You're welcome, darling. Happy Christmas.
Thank you. Oh, baby. I'm just encoding the next one. Oh, Stephen's asleep. Classic. Oh, Hobbs being very cute. Oh, baby. Hopsy, what time is it? It's your advent calendar time. Come on, gorgeous. Oh, I spotted tested it before, you see. I was prepped. Oh, now you're interested. Oh, you get little stars tonight. Yes, gorgeous. Oh, he's so puppyish when we do this. It's so cute. Oh no, baby. Okay. What? One. The other hand. Oh, well, okay, that's confusing. Other. Yeah. Two. And step a dipper. Well done, darling. Right, guys, usual stuff. Completely knackered. Can't wait to go to sleep. So hopefully we'll get quite a lot of sleep tonight, but who knows? Wish us luck, and we'll see you tomorrow for day